So welcome back to our 2D platformer series. At the end of this series, you will be experienced enough to create your very own 2D platformer game. Now what I'd like to focus on in this video is how to add a walking animation to our player. So let's get going inside Unity. The very first thing we want to do today is to add 2 new windows in order to change our animation. Animations, and then let's start with animation. Attach this one right here. Add the animator window right next to it. Now all you have to do is to select your player and to click create. What I'd like to do is to go into my root folder, create a new folder, call this one animations. We should probably name it like player go. And I'm gonna start with right today. So click onto automatic keyframes. So I'm gonna start by adding a key to scales. What I like to do now is like to orientate on certain numbers, 1 minute in this case. And let's just reduce the scale on the x-axis to, let's say, 0.9 and reverse it 1 minute later. Click right and change the mode to auto. Now for our go left animation, we can just copy our right animation and call it player go left. And now we only will have to drop it into our animator window. And now one thing that's pretty cool is that you can actually flip every single sprite within your sprite renderer. So that's all that we have to do here. Back in our animator window, let's create a new state and call it like idle. And this will be the default state for our player character. And now let's speed these guys up just a bit. And now that's already it for now. So let's head over to our scripts folder and get on another journey into our player scripts by double clicking. So I'm gonna do the animation checking inside another function this time. So let's call it void. Let's name it check animations. Like that. And call it right here. Let's implement the start method and create a new variable, and this should be our animator. And this should be attached to the actual component right at the beginning, and preferably the awake method there. So let's check if our player is headed in any direction. So if input get axis again for horizontal, if that's smaller than 0, we want to play our animation for going left. So animator play, so it will be player go left. And that's already it. Let's do the same thing for the right hand side. The animation player go right should play. And if we don't move at all, animator.play idle. And that's basically all we have to do today. So let's head back into Unity and see what happened. And as we can see, our cute wiggling walking animation for our player is working perfectly fine. If you want to explore how to add an animation for jumping as well, or you want to figure out how to add respawn, please check out the other videos in the playlist, and I'll see you next time.